Hi, this is Janaki from Trichy. My friend introduced GUVI to me 6 months ago. I made some basic researches and I joined this course. I took this course very seriously right from the beginning. Now I can say that I'm not stuck as I was earlier. Having earned an MTech degree in biotechnology and being more of a wet lab researcher kind of person, I was looking for a career change and work from home career after COVID, and GUVI helped me upskill my talents. So I have never once thought in my wild dreams that I would code one day, and now I'm coding thanks to Codekata platform, where we get to earn geek coins as rewards and will be leveling up the leaderboard. GUVI had this well planned syllabus for the course, and with each and every step of the course the candidate will be evaluated until we reach the expected threshold. We will be mentored and groomed patiently by the mentors. So by the end of the course I got this opportunity to enter into a monthly event called interview. I was in interview 2.0, where I got to compete with my fellow coders and showcase my coding skills and interview skills, which will obviously help me build my profile while I'll be in the placement phases. Um, the top performers were awarded with an opportunity to take up an internship at IIT-Ropar. This is a 2 months internship at the Department of Department of Computer Science and Engineering under Dr. Sudarshan Iyengar, the head of the department. So I'm very happy that I got this internship, and I was working with skilled data analysts and scholars. And I'm about to finish this internship and will be back into my placement phases again. If you are thinking about data science and are ready to spend your time and energy in upskilling yourself, I can assure you that GUVI is the go-to place. Not to mention that GUVI is giving us 100% placement support. So right now I'm getting the support and waiting to kickstart my data science career at the earliest. So all the best to all my fellow data science enthusiasts.